In this video, I'm going to show you how to change home in Google Maps. First of all, head to the location which is your home. So I'm just going to, for example, find a random home and set like this. Okay, this is not a home, but yeah, you guys get the idea. This looks like a home. And here it is. Set a location. And then go to here. And then as you can see, first of all, you have to be, as I said, in a residential area, which is a home. And then, so let's have this change to satellite, for example, so we can get a home. Here it is. Now click on here on the top right corner of menu. Here you will be able to find places and stuff that you have. You can also go ahead and save your home by clicking on the location, as I said, and then setting the location to, for example, home. And then click on the menu, as I said. You can find your places, and then you can find the lists right here. And then as labeled, you can click on here, and here it is. You can click on save, and then it will be saved as new list or something like that. You can set nearby, or as I said, save, favorites, or home, as I said. So for example, again, head to a location, click save it in somewhere you would like, or go here, list my places or your places, click on labeled home. You can remove it from here, and then you can set a home address by selecting a location and saving. But that's basically it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.